Hey all, Blake here. A couple months ago, I started working on the Unity Machine Learning Agents videos as a way to make sure that I really knew the fundamentals of what went into some of these machine learning systems before I actually took them and put them into other projects. Now that we've reached the end of that first arc, I'm really looking to keep making these videos. So even though I've learned a lot of the basics that I wanted to learn, I've really realized that there's a whole bunch more topics that people are interested in and that I'm interested in pursuing. So I put this Patreon campaign together to start involving that community that's actually supported me and kept me going with these videos. And I want to bring you in so that we can start forging the next bunch of videos together. So first of all, I do want to say that the source and the videos themselves are going to remain the way they've been, on GitHub and on YouTube, but patrons are going to get extra rewards. So at the entry tiers, you're going to be able to get access to my notes as I work on new algorithms, new problems, as I find new bugs and try to fix new things. That's going to go in my patron feed, and so people are going to have much more timely access to that. At the later tiers, the patrons are actually going to be asked to help provide input on what topics to cover next. There's a whole slew of topics that I want to cover, and so I can't approach all of them at once, so those patrons are going to help me prioritize which videos that we do next. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope all of your machine learning goes well. Until next time, I appreciate your watching the video, and I extra appreciate everybody who is interested and participates in this Patreon feed. Thank you so much. Take care.